Okay, we are live now, and we are covering the pre-market session. And right now, we obviously know that the game is on now, back on Gamestop and KOSS and AMC a bit. So right now, you can see Gamestop is up 62%, and they closed up about 100% yesterday night. And the short interest at that time was about 42% of the entire stock. That is still very heavy. 42% is still a lot, so yes, if you just joined us, subscribe, like, and thank you very much for joining us. We're obviously covering the markets for we're covering Gamestop and their like. So the game is on again, you see, and this is it closed up $91.79. That's, I think, that's close to 100%, and short interest has decreased by 23%, and it's currently, the volume is 16.47 million. Let's compare that to 16.4 million to its outstanding shares. It's 16.4. This is going to be 35. It's 50%. So okay, yes, it has dropped. So yes, that 23% increase may be responsible for that spike we have seen so far. From the session of the 23rd up till now, the stock has run up to 160% gain. So because right now it's trading at 151, it's trading at 151, yes, 149, and as at that time it was somewhere in the 40s. So in the for the session of the 24th, it was up to 91, close to 100%. So if you add all of this, then all of these values, now what you're looking at right now, this 64% in the pre-market session, if you add it up to what happened in the last session, we're talking about over 100 and close to 160% or thereabout. So yeah, that's what's going on. Yes.
No, where you been?
Okay. Yeah. Yes, if you just join us, subscribe, like, and share. So we're talking about the short interest is at 16. Okay, well, we already have, okay, this is not this is less than what we have on the that site on Charles Schwab. So 16.4 million to this will be close to 25% right now, outstanding. It's just a little bit below 25%, maybe call it 23%, so that is still a lot. So what you're looking at right now is not the chart. We're just here to look at the summary page, and we can see that the price crossed above the 50-day moving average. That's the message we're getting here. Price rose above the 50-day moving average of $56.45 on below average. Okay, below average volume, but the momentum will still not be that strong, even though it's rising. Yes, it's rising. It's rising now. So we have some news here as well. Gamestop shares jumped 65% today in the pre-market activity following the rally session Wednesday. The stock is supported by news of Chief Financial Officer Jim Bell's resignation. Reddit investors have taken it as a signal of a likely positive turnaround for the company. Several other Reddit WallStreetBets stocks were picked up by GameStop rally as well by the market's upward movement. AMC up 12%, Nokia was up 6%, Sundial was up by 5%, while BlackBerry and the American Airlines both traded slightly higher. At the same time, big data oriented technology company Palantir was slightly down, and so was Tesla. Okay, so yes, that's the news. That's the news. That's the news. We actually saw that news very early this morning, but we didn't exactly know that this is what's going on. So let's see again the same news. Stocks rising economic optimism, oil high in $70 and that stuff, you know. So yeah, J&J's Johnson & Johnson's vaccine was also approved. Yeah. So yes, GameStop up 65% and more. Okay, let's have a look at AMC. AMC is up 14.96%. Okay, so it's expecting its earnings outcomes expected on the 2nd of March. Okay, let's see. Yes, yes, it's part of the news. Gapping up in the pre-market. Yeah, we'll try our best to look at all of these stocks, all of these ones that are gapping up in the pre-market right now. We would do our best to have a look at them. That's quite a lot. Okay, let's just stick to up to yes, 6%. 6%, yes. So AMC is up 14.85%, trading above all of its trend lines. And yeah, not very much activity, obviously, because well, I can't say because of anything, but not as volatile as not as erratic as one would expect. Yeah, okay, let's look at KOSS. KOSS is up 80%. 80%. This is from the close of $18.44, and let's see what it closed at previously. We can't get that figure because this database has reset. Okay, let's find the short interests of AMC. AMC is short interest increased by 28%. Okay, increased by 28%. Currently at 48.1 million. Okay, 48 from this is it's definitely more than 10%. So yeah. Okay, let's look at KOSS. Okay, short interest decreased by 62%. We also haven't seen a very strong rally there, so I can imagine that the short those with short positions have been forced to close. Okay, let's we might be able to find out. No, we don't have that figure. Only if we could find out. Well, sure, we can find out. We'll be able to. I think we can find out what it closed at. Yes, give us a like if you're there. You know, give us a like, and let's get this party going here on this live session. We were trying to find what KOSS closed at. So still up. It's now more 81%. So at some point it was even higher than that. That was at $36.38. So it's interesting. they're all drawing sympathy from GameStop. So this is where it closed. Okay, on the 24th, on the 23rd. Yes, it closed at 1191, and currently now at 1191. So it's now at yes, 1133. So you do the maths. $33.333. So it is 279% since the third of since the 23rd. 239%. Yeah, so that's what's going on with KOSS, and it's dropped some value now, down to 78%. I think we're going to find the same news as well, the same piece of news. Yes, the same piece of news. Update: GameStop rally builds after positive ice cream cone tweet. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, GameStop Corp shares surged more than 50% in early deals on Thursday, which is today, as amateur investors jumped back into the stock weeks after an unprecedented short squeeze triggered a 1,600% rally in the video game retailer. The latest moves build on Wednesday's rally in GameStop and other so-called stocks, an intentional misspelling of stocks favored by retail traders on social media sites such as Reddit's WallStreetBets. The new frenzy puzzled analysts who had ruled out another short squeeze of the stock, which had battered some hedge funds and fueled more hype after some Twitter users pointed out a cryptic tweet of an ice cream cone photo from activist inventor Ryan Cohen, a major shareholder in GameStop and a board member. Okay. A short squeeze takes place when the price of a heavily shorted stock rises sharply, forcing short sellers who had bet against the stock to buy it at those prices to avoid further losses. GameStop shares were up 54.5% trading before the bell at 141.70. Okay, at 6:30 Eastern Time. Headphone maker KOSS Corp surged 57%, while cannabis Sundial Growers up 10%, AMC's 17%. So we have a few yes, we have a few stocks we're going to have a look at now. Some of those in on the move at the moment. So okay, so KOSS is up 80%. So let's have a look at the other ones. We have Sundials again, SNDL. SNDL is up 6.9%. Just bear in mind, this is the pre-market session. The market is going to open in about 38 minutes time. So the next one is CCRN. Yes, cross-country healthcare. Cross-country is up 20.28%. The next one is TS. Tenaris SA is up 14.39%. If you're there, give us a like, subscribe, like, and share. Let's get this. Let's get some likes on this. Go on, folks. Give us a like, okay? Next one's TNDM. Tandem Diabetes is up 11.88%. Okay, so let's look at RVLV. Revolve Group Inc. is up 14.99%. Currently trading in between its 20-day and 10-day trend lines. Let's see if we can find out any news concerning this RVLV. Market cap of $2.6 billion. It's just going to be one of the stocks in the move. Okay, there isn't very much there, I believe. So yes, Revolve Grouping up 14.96. So the other one is Joe E. Okay, Senjoko up 8.74%. It's saying extended hours. Okay. So yes, let's look at VRNA. Verona Pharmaceutical is up 8.1%. Verona Pharma PLC 8.1%. You can see that sharp gap, but let me see. Yes, but there isn't any activity going on here. The pre-market portion of the chart is not indicated. It's not visible. Okay, let's look at RCII. Rent a Car Center Inc. is up 6.44%. So BILI. Bilibili Inc. is up 8.74%, trading below its short-term trend lines. So if you're there, just give us a like. Thank you very much for joining us. Subscribe, like, and share. Give us a like, okay? AGIO is the next one. Agios Pharmaceutical is up 5.88%. So GLNG is next. GLNG. Gola LNG Limited up 3%. Okay, Ocean International Inc. is down 0.09. LOTZ is up 10.54%. Car loads, yeah, but currently trading below all of those trend lines. So at some point it was higher than this 10%. So the Gamestop again. Gamestop is at 74% now. So far at 160. Let's see let's see how much it has racked up since the 23rd. So if you're there, give us a like, hit that thumb button, and let's get some activity on this session. You can even drop a question for us. Let's see. So on the 23rd, it closed at 46. 23rd, it closed at 45. Let's see. On the 23rd, it closed at 45.07. So 45.07. we have 157, call it 157. Yes, 157 divided by 4507. What do we have? 340%. That is what it has gained since the 23rd of February. Going by what we are looking at right now in the pre-market session, up 73.37%. Currently trading above its 10-day trend line. At some point it was even higher. Okay, yeah, at some point, yes, we can even see that at some point it was higher than this 73%. So this is obviously the pre-market session. The market hasn't opened yet. The market is going to open in about 31 minutes. So it's still surging further. You can see what's going on here. See how the chart is moving. But some are taking money out. But not everybody has access to this pre-market sessions. Let's even find out. I mean, we don't have access to it, So let's see. How can I trade in the pre-market? Open an online trading account if you don't have one. Be sure that brokerage firm you select pre-market trading. Note when the broker firm allows you to pre-market trade, as each firm can set its own hours. Okay. Okay. So how can I trade? Can you trade during the pre-market? Yes, you can. Where can I trade the pre-market? Okay, let's see. The major US exchanges. Okay. Pre-market, normal hours. Okay. So let's see. We this is obviously a brokerage platform, Charles Schwab, but this is a platform. Let's see whether we can trade this. We don't have enough money to buy this, but let's see whether we are allowed to trade this. Okay, we can't trade it. Do not place. Yeah, we don't have. Okay, don't place this order. So.
Been here long?
Hmm?
Have you been here long?
Yeah, okay, yes, I believe we can. Not, yeah, so just if you have an account, you'll be able to trade this, but I never really thought, over the 20 odd years we've been, I have been trading, I've not really had any need to trade in the pre-market. I know, it does exist, and the post-market and the pre-market, but every day you learn. Yes. So currently Gamestop is breaking through its or rather getting some resistance from its volume weighted average price based on this 1 minute type chart we are looking at right now, and it's getting a lot of support from that volume weighted average price, if that is anything to go by. So it's been quite volatile of late. Trading exchange of fluctuating between had some up to 10% fluctuations so far within the past 5 minutes. Okay, so let's look at others. AMC is up 15.51%, just trading in between its trend lines, getting some support from the 20-day trend line, but also breaking through as well, based on this 1-minute time type chart we're looking at. So if you're there, hit that like button for us. Thank you very much. Yes, let's get some likes. Thank you, folks. Yeah, okay, so the other one is KOSS. KOSS has run up more gains than AMC. Okay, we can see it's also below all of its trend lines apart from the 200-day. Yeah, so some market participants are really enjoying this. Yeah, it's a volatile day, and it's a feast for the bold market participants who have the guts and resources to join this feast. But well, okay, KOSS has currently at 81%. So at some point it was even higher than that. It reached 35.83 at some point, and earlier on as well it reached 36.34. So if you're looking at 82%, I think at some point you would have had 90% or more. Yes, that's what we're talking about here. So let's look at Nokia. Nokia is up 6.68%, not much there. BlackBerry is up 7.5%. Okay, trading above all of its trend lines. Sundial is up 8.28%, trading in between its short-term trend lines. So let's see. Okay, LOTZ is up 11.05%. Some of the stocks we looked at with yesterday, RTP Reinvent Technology is down 1.78%. CWSFF, yolo Waste Solutions, not really trading in the pre-market. Fisk yes, is collaborating with Foxconn, the Apple supplier, Apple OEM supplier, is up 1.2%. They are collaborating to produce an electric vehicle in the coming year or thereabouts. So if you're there, hit that like button for us. Thank you. OSK down 2.83%. RMGB is down 0.34%. FRSX Foresight Autonomous down 4.38%. DMYI down 2.7%. House up 4.76%. Pltr should be down, I expect. Yes, it's down 2.12%. All of these are in the pre-market session. The market is opening in 20 minutes. Tilray is down 3.68%. Kronos is down 0.48%. So we return to Gamestop. Is up 71.46% now, just trading slightly above its short-term trend lines. Yeah, if you're there, just hit that like button for us. Thank you very much. Yeah, so let's refresh this. At least we get to see the volume here. We have last time we refreshed this, it was 9.9 million. Let's see what's going to come up. Not okay. While we're refreshing that, we can see it's escaping again, up 76% now. Yeah, this it's really active here on GameStop's trading. All of these in the pre-market. And then very soon we'll see some of the day traders take profit. You can see that that is already occurring. They are taking profits now, taking some money out of the table. You can see that, gradually declining. Yeah, that's money going off. Yes, rising further. Okay, so 10.9 million shares have crossed the tape already. This is only in the pre-market session. Yeah, if you're there, just give us a like. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you. So if you just joined us, we are covering the pre-market session, covering some of the stocks on the move. That obviously is the most popular of all of them is Gamestop. Yes, as you can see, it's up 87% now, relentlessly up, trading at $170. Okay, pulling back now, pulling back. Yeah, taking profits. Okay, let's look at AMC. AMC is down 19.36. So rather up 19. Sorry, did I say down? Sorry about that. Up roughly 20%. Not hasn't gained as much as KOSS and Gamestop. Okay, KOSS Corp. KOSS is up 90%, and even at that, it's just slightly above its volume weighted average price. So if it's at 90 now, so at some point it was even more than that. It was more than I believe more than 90%. So it's roughly at 91%, yeah. Yeah, if you just joined us, subscribe, like, and share. So KOSS is now between its 20-day and the 10-day trend line, but getting some support from that. Okay, currently from the 50-day trend line, moving back up to moving back and forth between the 50 and the 20, but has broken through now, broken through the 20-day trend line, down at 82 point, down to 82% gain for the day. Yes, because this will be reflected in the it will reflect as a gap in the chart once the market opens. So that's what we are looking at right now. Okay, Gamestop is up 80 now. Yeah, certain market participants are really scalping up as much as they can. You can see each time it goes below the 10-day trend line, it goes back up again, you know. So obviously by the time it breaks down through this trend line, it becomes cheaper. It becomes it's at a discount, so it becomes an incentive to put in more cash and get it up again. Okay, we have to wrap up this session. GameStop is up at 82 or 81%. If you joined us, thank you very much. We're going to come back later on. Thank you very much for being with us and watching this pre-market session live. Thank you very much, and thank you for your support and supporting this channel. Those of you who have subscribed and those of you who haven't, thank you very much.